How to check your race in the Blox Fruits. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the process of altering your base or acquiring a new one. So in order to achieve this, you must engage in the dialogue with an NPC located in the cafe, second C, or the mansion for the third C areas. You will need a minimum of 3000 fragments to initiate a random change in your character's race. The available races from the NPC include human, angel, shark, and rabbit, whereas the bull and the cyborg races are only accessible through the specific quest. If you obtain the human race, you also have the option to purchase a race change using the Robux. So you have to gather fragments in the second C. So this is how you can check your race in the Blox Fruits. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.